Hey guys, we've been doing factoring lately. You guys have been doing a good job. I found this really cool video online. Teach me how to factor from a high school up in Columbus. Let's take a look at it.
Teach me how to factor.
Could be like Schultz.
What?
Can you teach me how to factor? You know why? Cause all the students after.
Hey!
All I need is a real good quadratic and for you.
Yeah, Jessica, what do you want?
Mr. T, can we rap battle them?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, hey Schultz, you're a pretty decent rapper. My students like your song about teaching how to factor. What's up? I think your problems are too easy. Your rhymes are pretty tight, but some are kinda cheesy. Sit back, try not to get too rattled. Me and my class are bringing a factor rap battle. Here we go. This trinomial's pretty stout. You have to see what you can try to factor out. How about 5? Slurp it out to the side. Then you write down what's left inside. Well, what's next? You gotta set up 2 sets. Then you have to unfoil to see what you get. The S for first. The first term in each set. When you multiply 2x squared is what you get. Now do the last. We'll save the OI for now. Try to make 6 but need to know just how. 2 and 3, 1 and 6, how will we ever choose? Make your double chin for this, there's no way you can lose.
Teach me how to factor, teach me how to factor. Teach me how to factor right back at you. Everybody factor, everybody factor. Everybody factor right back at you.
You got that other cool teacher, what's his name? He likes to factor on the float, but his dancing's kinda lame. Nice looking dude, I think his name is Mr. Winner. We got some teachers here who like to take him out to dinner. His factoring's alright, but he leaves one kind out. So Mr. T's class will show you what it's all about. Square of a binomial, that's what we call a solve. You need some special factor tricks to do a good job. If the first term's a square, and so is the last, you put the roots in each set. It's easy for my class. Do your outer and your inner, just make your double chins. If the middle term comes out, then you got it and you win.
Teach me how to factor, teach me how to factor. Teach me how to factor right back at you. Everybody factor, everybody factor. Everybody factor right back at you.
Now you've seen us factor and you know that we're serious. But why do we factor? You must be curious. It's not just for fun when we factor in this joint. When we factor in here, there's gotta be a point. It's to solve quadratics, find the value of x. Watch us and we'll show you what you gotta do next. When you wanna solve quadratics, you can be a hero. Set the whole thing up so it's equal to 0. Then you work your factor like you know you can. You might start to see the genius of the plan. Multiplying 2 sets to make 0, my brother. One set must be 0, or maybe it's the other. For this set to be 0, what would x have to be? -2, I know that works for me. What about the other set? Now here's our final word. For this set to be 0, x would have to be a third.
Teach me how to factor, teach me how to factor. Teach me how to factor right back at you. Everybody factor, everybody factor. Everybody factor right back at you.
Hey, Mr. T, what happens if you just can't factor? How will we find the answer that we're after? Ax squared plus bx plus c is the key. All you really need to know is a, b, and c. If you know a, b, and c, there's a formula you can use. Just plug in some values, there's no need to be confused. The formula is pretty easy even though it's very long. So if you want to learn, you will listen to this song.
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4c all over 2a. This is the formula that we use when we solve quadratics. Helps us find the x-intercepts of the parabola.
Pop through the weasel because the weasel go pop.
All right, we'd like to thank Westerville South High School up in Columbus for giving us the inspiration to make this video and to blend together mathematics and popular culture. And we challenge you by the end of the year to make another video on simplifying radicals. And we're coming at you.
Yeah.